In the world of minimalist living and the van life movement, one DIY enthusiast, Annabelle Tripp, took a leap of faith in 2020, transforming an old minibus into a sustainable and cozy mobile home. Her mission was simple yet ambitious: to create a functional, stylish camper that reflects her eco-conscious values and provides comfort for life on the road. With the help of her father and boyfriend, Annabelle spent a year crafting a space that would embody adventure while serving as a practical, everyday home. The journey began when Annabelle purchased the minibus, choosing it for its pre-installed windows, an essential feature that simplified the conversion process. However, the project was far from easy. The first major task was removing the minibus's fixed seats, which was challenging but necessary to make room for the design she envisioned. Throughout the build, Annabelle encountered moments of doubt, but the satisfaction of seeing her vision come together fueled her determination. Sustainability was a central theme of Annabelle's conversion. Using reclaimed wood from a local reclamation yard, she built the ceiling and work surfaces, bringing new life to old materials. The build, which cost around £20,000, included a significant investment in the electrical systems required to make the van livable. Annabelle also used recycled materials, like plastic bottles for insulation, showcasing her commitment to eco-friendly living. This conversion isn't just a van, it's a testament to creativity, resourcefulness, and sustainable living. Inside the van, Annabelle created a cozy and efficient living space that meets all the needs of a nomadic lifestyle. It features a fixed double bed, a comfortable seating area, a fully equipped kitchen with a mini fridge and gas hob, and even a shower area. Every detail was carefully planned to maximize space while ensuring comfort, making it the perfect home base for long-term travel or weekend getaways. The use of French paint adds a personal touch, contributing to the warm, inviting atmosphere of the van. For anyone considering a similar DIY project, Annabelle offers valuable advice. Careful planning is key. Deciding on essential features from the outset can help avoid costly mistakes and ensure a smoother build. While the project was time-consuming and challenging, Annabelle takes immense pride in the final result, knowing it represents her creativity, commitment, and resourcefulness. Annabelle's minibus conversion is a powerful example of how passion, creativity, and determination can transform any space into a beautiful, functional home. It's an inspiring story for anyone interested in embracing the DIY van life and enjoying the freedom and adventure that comes with living on the road.
Minimalist.